In this video, we're going to go over adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing integers. In our first problem, we have 6 plus -3. So it's like saying, if I have $6 and I owe you $3, after I pay you back, how much do I have left? And the answer to that question is $3. I have $3 left. Let's look at the next one. 4 plus -2. So if I have $4, but I owe you 2, what do I have left after I pay you back? I have $2. Let's look at C. So this says that we have -4 plus -5. So it's saying I owe you $4 and then I borrowed $5 more. So how much money do I owe you? That's right, I owe you $9. Let's look at D. 8 plus -5. So this is saying I have $8, but I owe you 5. So after I pay you back, how much do I have? I have $3. So our next example says 3 plus -9. So I have $3, but I owe you $9. So I'm going to give you what I have, but what do I still owe you? That's right, I still owe you $6. Let's look at our next set, where we're changing from have a main focus of addition sign between our numbers to where now we're going to have a subtraction sign between our integers. So something that makes it easy is that if I see two negatives in a row, I want to change those into a plus sign. So here I have double negatives, so I'm going to change those into a plus sign. And now I have -1 plus 3. So if I owe you $1 and I just earned $3, after I pay you back, how much do I still have? And that answer is $2. Let's look at the next problem. Here we also see a double negative, so let's change that into a positive. So now it says 6 plus 3. And that's easy. If I have $6 and I earn $3 more, now I have $9. Let's look at our next one. 5 minus 6. So if I have $5, but I want to spend $6, do I have enough money? I don't. I am short. I'm short $1. Let's look at our next problem. -4 minus -5. So here I have double negatives, so I'm going to change those to a plus sign. And now it's saying, if I owed you $4 and earned $5, after I pay you back, how much will I have? And the answer is $1. If we look at our next problem, we have double negatives, so we're going to go ahead and add those, change it to a plus sign. And now we have 8 plus 5. Which is 13. So if I were to have $8 and made 5 more, I'd have $13. Let's talk about multiplication. When we're talking about multiplying and dividing, there's a set of rules that we can use to help us out. When the symbols that we use are the same, that means that our answer is going to be positive. But when the symbols that we use are different, then our answer is going to be negative. So if we look at problem K, we have 3 times 5, and that's 15. And they both have positive symbols, so it's going to be a positive 15. So we move to I, and 2 times 5, they're both positive, so we're going to have a positive answer of 10. For M, we have -1 times -7. They're both negative, so our answer is still going to be positive. It's going to be a 7. For our next example, we have -4 times -3. Because our symbols are the same, we're going to have a positive 12. For P, we have 6 times 3, and those are both positive, so we're going to have a positive 18. Now, let's say that the 6 was a -6 though. then this would have turned into a negative 18 because the symbols would have been different. Let's take a look at our division. So for problem Q, we have negative 9 divided by 3. Well, those are different symbols, which means that my answer will be negative. And 9 divided by 3 is 3, so my answer is negative 3. For R, I have negative 12 divided by negative 4. In this case, my symbols are the same, so my answer will be positive. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. For our next example, we have 14 divided by negative 7. Here, our symbols are different, so our answer will be negative. And 14 divided by 7 is 2, so we'll have a negative 2. For our next example, we have negative 15 divided by 3. And our symbols are different, so our answer is going to be negative. And 15 divided by 3 is 5, so we'll have a negative 5. For our last example, we have 24 divided by negative 6. Here, our symbols are different, so our answer is going to be negative. And 24 divided by 6 is 4, so we're going to have a negative 4. So remember, these rules only work for multiplying and dividing.